Hey, we're getting ready to modify the little Puma trailer a little bit. The one downfall of the little camper trailer is the pass-through onto the basement. On the driver's side, you can see there's no pass-through. So let's see if we can somehow or another make one there. So come along with us, because we're going to be loving the real world. Our first step was to build a little frame for the basement door here. So I got me some 2x2s, made a frame for it. So I'm going to go inside here and cut that, trace this out so we can put this in the other side, and then we'll make a template and cut out the hole and insert the door. Let's see how this goes. Okay, after cutting everything out, this is what we got to deal with. I'm going to take out this insulation, square it all up, and then we'll go from there. It's kind of hard to film everything in this little area, and I guess I stopped the recording somehow. But I cut these two studs out and then screwed the studs that were into the wall into the top of the frame. Then I screwed the frame to the basement floor. Then we placed the template inside of this frame and drilled 4 holes on the outer edge and 2 holes in the center to line up the template on the outside. Okay. What I've done here, I made a template and took it inside and drilled 2 holes from the outside in. So now I'm going to screw the template into those holes. Okay, I'm going to draw a line around it. Wrong type of screws, but it's okay. I drilled these holes right here just to make sure we're almost centered, not the actual edges. So hopefully that'll work. Who knows? Now let's see if we can cut a hole. Oops, I did it again. One day I'll get this figured out, I guess. But basically I just slid the cargo door into place and screwed it into the frame, then placing silicone around the edges. Okay, there's the finished project. And we will be changing out this lock. So we're not going to do anything right now. So this is still trashy and dirty. And we'll also be putting a magnetic lock on here. So it can be done. Oh well. If you ever thought about putting in another baggage door on your basement down here, on your little camper, on some of them it can be done, because we just did it on the little Puma. We hope you enjoy it. If you did, hit that like button. And if you haven't done it yet, hit the subscribe button. Oh, go ahead and hit that notification button so you don't miss our next big adventure or DIY session. So until next time, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.